Lizzie grew up in Lagos. She finally received scholarship to the University of Houston. She travels endlessly with hope. This is her first day.
After years, I'm finally here. University of Houston. Watch where you're going!
It was an accident! I owe you coffee.
You owe me dry clothes too. So are you a student here too?
No, just passing by.
I have to go. Time for class.
Okay. I'm your new professor, Ethan. I'll be taking you on human resources.
You have to be kidding me.
Human resources is a study of how organizations manage their employees effectively to achieve organizational goals through proper recruitment, training, development, motivation, and performance management.
Why didn't you say you are my professor?
I didn't know I'll be taking your class.
Now you know.
Yes, and you're a brilliant student, I must say.
Thank you.
Education isn't about passing exams.
It's about changing lives.
This is really nice.
I took it along in case I get hungry.
Amazing. You're teaching me more than I'm teaching.
That's what friendship does.
So tell me about your country.
Nigeria is a place of culture and tradition. Ethan, are you okay?
Ethan's condition has become critical.
There has to be another way.
There is nothing we can't do. Promise me, you'll never stop learning.
I promise. Please stay with me.
I'm always with you. Don't you ever forget.
You will forever be in my heart. Dreams survive when someone chooses to believe in another person's future. Ethan willed his properties in my name. I decided to do good by granting every student in Nigeria scholarship to study abroad. Ethan will forever be in my heart to see this day. May he rest in.
Welcome guys, my name is Mimi and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can make a cinematic movie like the one you just watched, okay? I'm also going to be teaching you how you can create that logo I created that pop out of the movie, and I'm also going to teach you how you can extract sound into your video, okay, and some effects, okay? And I'm also going to show you how you can write a good storyline in order to get a good, beautiful movie, okay? Because the secret to a good AI movie is a good story line and a good prompt. Without a good prompt and a good storyline, you can have a beautiful AI movie. You need a good storyline to clip people to your video, especially in the beginning of the video. If your storyline is off point, nobody will want to watch your video. You will just be stuck in 1 view, 2 views, and 3 views. Nobody's gonna watch it. If you have a good storyline, you'll be able to connect with your audience. It's not just you creating movies because everyone is creating AI movies to make money. It's about how you were able to connect with your audience, okay? If you're able to connect with your audience, you'll be able to glue them to your page or your channel. You will glue them there to your video and they will keep asking for more. So a good storyline or a good prompt is the key to a good and beautiful video, okay? It doesn't matter how long one scene takes you to create, okay, as long as it comes out perfect and beautiful, okay? So please stay with me to the end of this video because I'm going to be detailed as possible. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do. If you don't know how to subscribe, beneath this my video you will see a bell there. Just click on it. It's totally free. If you have questions you want to ask in person, check my description box beneath there too. You will see my Gmail there, my email. You can email me privately, okay, and I'll answer your questions, okay, if you don't want to put them on the comment section. So let's start with how I was able to make that beautiful logo. So actually I came across this logo on someone's story too, on someone's movie story on YouTube here, and I loved it. I was like, wow, if she can do this, I can do it as well. And funny enough, the story was very beautiful and interesting. Like I watched the story to the end and this popped out and I said I'm gonna do it and I'm going to teach you guys. So this is how I was able to create that logo you saw that popped out. You can see it on my screen. So I first took a screenshot of it where I saw it. I took a screenshot of it and I went ahead to place it in ChatGPT. Okay, like I always say, if you want a good storyline, you need to be detailed and specific when you are telling the app generating your story what you want it to give you. Because even ChatGPT or any story app you're using, they make mistake. AI make mistake. That is why you need to be detailed. Even when you are even generating your movies too, you need to be detailed. Because if you are not detailed, your video will keep glitching. You will not maintain a good face consistency. Your face will just be changing up and down. It will be very obvious. And again, if you are good in editing, it won't be a problem. You can be able to cover some traces. So let's just go back to what brought us here. So I first screenshotted it. You can see it on my screen. So you can see it on my screen. So I went ahead to screenshot it. Then I went ahead to tell ChatGPT, I want to create something similar to this. I want it to pop out after one movie scene plays. I want to put little part of my original Netflix story in the beginning. Then this will pop out later with Create with Mimi tutorial written on it. With any beautiful gold design horse or queen with staff, whatever unique you recommend. Write me a Netflix original story similar to my Oxford year. Okay, so because I always like to be specific with my stories if I'm asking ChatGPT to generate one for me. So I went ahead to Google to summarize my Oxford year because I wanted to be detailed so it would not give me another thing. So after summarizing it from Google, I went back to paste it there. You can see it. Then I went beneath it and still told it, I want the film in Houston University. I want it interesting, educative, inspiring, and sorrowful. I want the film actors Nigerian and American. I want the location in Houston University. The image prompts, video prompt, and dialogue should be included as well. I want the video quality high and cinematic standard. I want the size in 16:9. If you want, you can use 9:16. Depends on your size. I want each character to speak one at a time. And when one character is speaking, the other should be quiet. Give me a good please maintain face consistency in every scene. Give me good camera direction, movement in every angle. I want it high quality and professional. So you can see the studio intro there. You can see it did this thing about the seconds and everything. So this is where I generated my pop-out logo, the animation prompt. That is the animation prompt. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually do it. Okay, like I always say, if you want a good storyline, you need a good prompt. It really doesn't matter how long it takes you to make that one scene. Even if one scene takes you 2 days or 3 days, focus on that one scene. Okay, because the beginning of your AI movies or cartoon is what attracts audience to pin to the video to watch it to the end. Okay, so let's go. Without wasting your time, let's go to the next part. I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to do that movie, okay, and everything. So if you've not subscribed to this my channel, please do. Subscription is totally free. Beneath this my video, you will see a bell there. It's totally free. And if you want to send me a message privately, maybe you want to ask me something, my email is on the description box. If not, you can pin your comments on my comment section. I'll be interacting with everyone on my comment section. Without wasting your time, let's move to the most important part. This is my animation prompt. Okay, so I'm going to copy the animation prompt. We head to Chrome. Okay, you just type on Google FX, you will see Google Flow beneath it. You click on Google Flow and register with Google Flow. So I'm using Google Flow. I'm going to paste my animation prompt. Click on video. You can see video 9 by 16. You just arrange it the way you want. You can see down there we have different tiles, free tiles you can use. I'm on free plan, so I'm using a free plan. Okay, so it will generate, okay, and give you my results. Moving to the video scene. So if you press on that plus sign to bring you here, you see that arrow facing up, you click it, it will take you to your gallery. You go ahead to pick your image that you've generated. I generated my image with ChatGPT. Okay, I just told them give me scene 1 image, give me scene 2 image. So that's where I generated my images. We've selected our picture. Let's go and copy the story. I'm going to be starting with the story there. You can see her widowed mother sells food every day. Adeze applies several times for an international scholarship after years of rejection. I'm going to copy the story first because I want my movie to have an intro. Okay, it's not necessary. You can start from scene 1, but I choose to start with the story. So let's go and paste our story. Our video is ready.
Adaize grew up in Lagos. She finally received to the University of Houston. She travels with endless hope. This is her first.
If you want, you can use your voice. Okay, let's download it and move to the next scene. I copied the scene, video prompt and dialogue together. Okay, I made it short so it would not be skipping. I'm using a free plan, that's why not every AI generator understands prompt well.
I promised my mother I'd make this opportunity count.
You move to the next step. You choose your picture from the gallery, the same thing. Then you know what to do. You head back to where your scenes are. You copy the video prompt and the dialogue. Okay, if it gives you your character and everything and the camera direction, you can just copy everything with the dialogue if the app you're using understands prompts well. So I've pasted it, and I don't want Adeze's assets to be the same thing with Ethan's own. That's why I went ahead to still indicate, I like to be detailed, speaks Nigerian English. Okay, then I put a dot there so the app can understand what I want. So let's generate. Okay, if you're using a free plan, you can use plenty Google account to log in and access the app too.
Coffee.
You owe me dry clothes too.
So when you finish, just take all your videos to CapCut. You can see I generated so many videos. It doesn't really matter how many seconds. You can see I have 23 videos here. So I just go ahead to pick everything. Okay, this is where the work is. You need to edit your video professionally. Okay, so you can see I'm in CapCut already. You can see my videos here. You can see I already put sounds and everything. I just put everything. So if you want to be able to add voice like a music background, click on sound. If you click audio, you will see sound. You click on sound, it will bring you here. You can see they have options for you. You can see where I clicked here, it will take you to your file. You can go there and extract any sound you want from your file. This particular place box, okay, it will take you to your file. You extract sound. You can see my file. You can see music there. You can just easily extract music from here to your video. Okay, if you don't want it, you can still move to the next one. Okay, you can see my gallery. I can still extract sound from my gallery if I want. Maybe a TikTok sound, I just need to download the video and extract it from my gallery. Or I go to TikTok, I don't have any save sound here. Okay, so once you come here, it will just take you to different places, your file or your gallery or your device, where you can extract sound. Or you can just search for a sound here on CapCut. once you search on it like this, okay, you can see, okay, let's check this out. So you can just press the plus sign, okay. If you click this plus sign now, it will take you to your video and the sound will automatically be there, okay. Welcome back, guys. You can see it wasn't that difficult, okay. So I hope I was able to impact some beautiful knowledge. Like I said before, if you have any questions, you can pin it down on my comment section or email me, whichever you prefer, okay.